If your store gets clicks but not orders, AI can help you turn that around fast. You don't need coding, big budgets, or a full team. Most shoppers leave when they get confused or can't find what they want. A messy search bar, missing filters, slow pages, all of these kill sales. But here's the good news. With AI, your website learns from every visitor. It reacts in real time, smarter search results, helpful chat support, and personal recommendations that feel custom-made. Follow the GROW plan. Gather, react, optimize, win. Gather insights with heat maps so you know where people get stuck. React instantly with chatbots and smart product suggestions. Optimize with AI-driven A/B tests, pricing tools, and layout tweaks. Win with automated emails and simple dashboards that show what's working. You don't need a huge setup. Start with simple wins. Add a Top Picks for You section. Train your chatbot to answer 5 common questions and test your Add to Cart button color or placement. These tiny changes often boost conversions more than you expect. Keep what works. Pause what doesn't. Let data guide you. Check your progress every week. Look for things like higher cart recovery, lower bounce rate, faster checkouts, and more returning customers. Small improvements stack up. After a month, your store feels completely different. Want this done for you? MarketinGear sets up your AI conversion system in days, not months. From chatbots to recommendations to automated emails, we handle everything. Book your free consultation now and start